Okay, so this video is related to how to use our app announcement bar with a slider. Whenever you install our app, everything is look like this. You can see here the two different announcement bar by default added by on the installation. Okay, so you can see like how it's look onto the your front store if you enable the app. Okay, and you can enable and disable the app from here anytime. Okay, so yeah, so and if you want to set the different announcement bar for the home page, okay, you can go and set up from here, but you for that you have to upgrade our plan, our number subscribe plan. Okay, let's go to the every setting one by one. So this is what first one is the animation in. So animation is the here is the animation for the we have the 20 plus different animation. Okay, let's say if you change this one. Okay, so animation in slide will change. The this one is the fade up. Okay, let me change to the slide out down, so it's look good. You see this is going down. Okay, so if you check out the like a both same opposite side of animation, so it's good. What is this animation time? Okay, animation time is a autoplay time, so it give you the like a timing between the two slides. So whenever you update this one like a more, okay, so animation will slide will stay longer. Okay, let's make it to normal. Okay, 2, and minimum animation autoplay time is a 1 second, and here we have this time as the animation time. If you change, we change this to 2. Okay, our animation become the very slow, you see, and you can update your as per your requirement. Let me put it back. Okay, so here is the slide position. Slide position is the important one. Stop is your normal stop. Sticky stop is the stay with your top header. Okay, bottom fix is also like a stay fixed at the bottom. Custom position is new one. Custom position, okay, you can apply the slide here. Okay, some between some sections. Okay, apply here or apply here. Okay, for that you need some knowledge, knowledge about the HTML and that stuff. Okay, but if you don't know, just contact in our support. Okay, we will fix the we will set up the custom position for you. And about also the sticky stop. Sticky stop mostly problem whenever your front store have the fixed header. Okay, in that case mostly the slider is sometimes it's behind, it's not working, it's look like to you. But if you face that any kind of that issue, just contact us in our support. Okay, we will fix our announcement bar and it show perfectly with your slider. Okay, and this is the most important thing. Mostly fixed header store with the no one app announcement bar work perfectly. Okay, but we can give you the perfectly working announcement bar within a 1 day, because mostly we are from the India, so maybe support will sometime the lag. Okay, but within a 1 day we can fix for you the announcement bar perfectly working for you. Okay, if you have the fixed header or any issue is happening, okay, you can just contact in our support. Okay, we will fix for you. Add remove button, yeah, it's normal, added the remove button with the announcement bar. Okay, and also with this one, it stay, if you click on the remove button, okay, it stay up to the 5 day. You cannot it is not visible to you up till the 5 day. Once you close, when you click on the close button, remove button. Okay, so if the customer is visiting your store, okay, and if they click on the remove button, it's not visible them to the next 5 day. After that it's visible. Okay, so yeah, so keep in mind that. Okay, custom CSS, you can add the custom CSS based on your requirement if you want to change anything. Okay, let's add the new slide. So these here you can see the visible and invisible, that is come related to our premium plan. Okay, so let me refresh these ones. Okay, so whenever you first time you are adding the slide, we show you these messages. Okay, like only the one slide is visible in the free plan. If you want to make all side active, you need to subscribe our plan, and you can upgrade or you can skip and add the announcement bar, so you can get idea about how it's look, and that's all the feeling and that's all thing. Okay, so here is the normal text, rich text editor. Okay, rich text editor, you can use this all the things. Okay, what is the most important in the rich text? Okay, let's say you want to highlight the something with the background. Okay, you can add this background here. Okay, this message will come this way. Okay, and let's say if you want to put this to the, you only want to change this color, okay, to the red one. Okay, you can use this one. Yeah, mostly this one is not useful, but we can remove this. Okay, it's not changing. Let's put it white. Okay, so it's normally white, and with this one you can add the link. Okay, if you want to add, so you can, this word is highlight for you, and this have the link. You can add bold, but you can use the anyone. Okay, here whatever we have mentioned. Okay, and normal text is just a normal text. Okay, and you can, we have the all the related to update the color, and that all things come at the bottom. Okay, show button. Okay, you can click here, you can add the button like click here. Okay, so that is the normal button, and you can add the like new URL for your new URL. Okay, and if you want to open this link to the new tab, you can check mark this to the check mark here, and you can this one disable entire clickable. That is the very good. Okay, you can put the link here, and you will get the option to the your full announcement bar is now clickable. Okay, not clickable is a normal. Okay, and related to this one, you all the get idea about the all the animation different color related setting you will get at the bottom. It is, so you can get idea about the, if you set this color. Okay, let's say this color, if you set this one to the background, how it looks. So you can change the everything from here, and you will get idea about how it's look, all the look and feeling things related to come here in this section. Okay, but we will go to let's go back to the button. Okay, entire bar clickable is, I think it's a good idea. Okay, and you can also change the your hover color and text color on the background. Let's say I want to put the black color on the hover, and I want to put the white color on the text whenever I hover. Okay, you will get idea. You see this, how it's look good. Okay, so I think instead of putting the lock button like a click here or something like that, use this one is a good idea. But click here is also, button is also makes sense. Okay, to like someone to click. Okay, but it's up to you. You can change the like both. For this one is also, you can get the like all the changes. Okay, you can change the all everything from here. Okay, border radius you can change. You can change the background color of the button. You can change the hover color of the button. Okay, so let's say if you are hovering this to the white, you see it, so it's not matching, so we need to make it like a black or something. Okay, so it will look good. And yeah, I've already show you the, if I click, if I do this entire click bar, then also we are getting the option to change the color. Okay, let me put this way something. I want to use this one, you see. Okay, go to the next step. Show countdown timer. That is the most important thing, and mostly all the other apps have these all the features. This countdown timer as a paid. Okay, but we have the everything is free. Only if you want to show the multiple slide into the front side, then only you have to subscribe to our premium plan. Otherwise, you can work with everything's work normal with the normal with the free plan. Okay, so normal timer. Okay, normal timer is simple. Okay, like it's a normal timer, and you can set the condition, and it's give you like this kind of things. Okay, you can time remove time when it's end. Okay, so after the ends it will not show the time to the user, so that is the only option to check mark. Okay, you can also use the like a flip clock. Okay, so you can see like it's a flipping the yeah, flip clock is a two different style we have given. Okay, normal style and flip clock. Okay, this is the most important one. Enable auto repeat timer. Okay, so let's say you want to show every user to the like after 10 minutes this offer is expiring, after 10 minutes this offer is expiring. Okay, so in that case you can put here just like a 0.1.66, it's equal to around 10 seconds, 10 minutes. Okay, so whenever user come, they will see, every user will see this, every user will, and also like it's between the time start between this. Okay, but it's also the like between this, and let's say you repeat or end time, it means like you want to don't show this this after this event after the some time. Okay, let's say for the next 2 days we want to only show this uh, this repeat time. Okay, so you can put this time here, and that is the way. Okay, normal, and you can use the like a both these all the features with the both, and you also get the all that setting with here. Okay, like a timer background setting, timer color setting, timer text size, everything is here. Okay, so everything is customizable. You can customize anytime. It's not about like you, if you are not liking the themes, you can change anytime. You can come here and you can change them. change the thing normally anytime. Schedule display, it's like you can add the start time. Let's say you want to come with some features like on the 20 seconds and um, up to the mm, let's say to 25. Okay, so you can set this time here. Okay, and also change this time perfectly. Okay, so and this slider only enable on this between this time. Okay, and it's not will show after this time, and always display it's always will be visible. Okay, here you can see that is the country related filter. Okay, so country related filter. Okay, so let's say you have the you are free shipping on the two countries. Okay, and you want to set this for the like $100 is only uh, free shipping is mhm, order above $100 is free shipping. Okay, so in that case you can enable the one slide for the United States. Okay, and you can create also the one more slide with the let's say you are setting the different rule for the Canada. You can set the here the different, you can add the different slide, and these both slide visible up to the your customer like if it's country from the Canada. And this feature is also mostly paid in the all the slider on the slider. Okay, you can also check the like desktop only visible to the desktop, only visible to the mobile. UTM resource is the same. Okay, UTM resource is like if you are running any campaign on the Google or any Facebook, or any, if you want to show that slide only if visitor is coming from the Google or Facebook, or whatever you are campaigning. Okay, just add the like a query parameter and it will automatically show this slider to the only that users, not the normal users. Okay, so whenever you submit this one, okay, so you will get the another slide here. Okay, and it's also perfectly work what we just show. Okay, so yeah, and also the here we have the add and shipping bar. Shipping bar is also the option. Free shipping bar, that is the same as like we have the one popular free shipping bar. Okay, so whenever the someone add the in your product like you have the free shipping on for the order above $100, and someone added the $40 into the your cart. Okay, so then only the 16 we show the message only the $40 is away from the free shipping. And that is also the same setting. You can set up the anything here like all this advanced setting and everything also. And let's say you want to only set up the free shipping. Okay, so you can remove this all the slide. Okay, and you just keep the free shipping slide. Okay, so that's where you can add the free shipping. Okay, but if you want to show the all the slide, okay, just keep it like you have to enable the premium plan. Okay. And that's it.